In this Propel AI Kit review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to tap into over 100 plus passive income AI tools. I'm going to be showing you what this is and of course what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Propel AI Kit, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says world's first complete newbie-friendly technology that lets you tap into 100 plus passive income streams using artificial intelligence for any offer and niche with zero prior skills or experience. Comes loaded with 120 business boosting AI tools that foster long-term business growth in a cost-effective manner. So essentially what this is, they call them passive income streams. It's tools that allow you to tap into AI. So it's not like you're going to magically start making money with this. These are simply tools that you can use to tap into AI all in one dashboard, making it easier to use AI technology. So step one, you log in. Step two, you go in and you can actually create using AI, using the software. And they say profit, but of course profiting it's going to depend upon what you're doing in your business. So you can't really say you're magically going to go ahead and profit here from this. So you can see that there are a bunch of different tools here that this is going to help you to replace, just because of the fact that it's going to be doing a lot of things that AI can now do for you that you weren't able to do before. So the AI technology is going to allow you to not have to pay someone to do it for you. It's going to make it so you don't have to actually do it yourself or have the skills to do things like copywriting and creating content for your business. This is going to do it for you and have a ton of different tools to create different types of content for you. And here's some examples. You can create descriptions for Amazon products, product titles, build notification messages for your apps, enticing article blog introductions, rephrasing content, professional looking emails, catchy and convincing headlines, professional eye-catching ad descriptions, over tweets, YouTube descriptions, all these different things that you can use, but you can make using the software. So I'm going to scroll down through this. You can look at the rest of this on your own time. But if you purchase, you're going to get access to the software and the ability to use the AI to do all these different things here. And it's going to be for a one-time price. One thing that I will recommend that you do is make sure you try moving your mouse away on the sales page. I'm pretty sure a discount's going to pop up there. Might as well try. I make less as an affiliate by pointing that out to you, but I always do. So please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area and the OTOs and discounts.
Let's face it, with 2023 entering its second half, it's no surprise that more and more businesses are using artificial intelligence wisely to capture your audience's attention and making tons of money with each sunrise. And this trend will continue to prosper in the coming years. Even the world's best companies like Microsoft, Tesla, Facebook, Google, etc. are investing huge money into using artificial intelligence to grow their business. So, if you're tired of making zero money on the internet and want to end your financial struggles once and for all, stop and pay close attention to what I'm about to say. Hi, I'm Yogesh Agarwal, and along with my team of skilled developers and marketers, I've created 125 plus value-based products for my 50,000 plus customers over the last 7 years in this industry. With time, I've learned that in order to succeed in the digital marketing arena, you need to find a way that works over and over again. And without any doubt, using artificial intelligence is something that all marketers, no matter big or small, need to use smartly in order to grow their businesses. So stay tuned for the next 7 minutes to this video, as in this short video, you're going to discover a brand new 100% newbie-friendly technology that creates 100 plus passive income streams using the huge power of artificial intelligence for any offer and niche with zero prior skills or experience, without doing anything at your end or without paying thousands of dollars to expensive third parties. And the best part is, you can do it all without paying exorbitant fees for complicated tools, without paying huge fees monthly to expensive copywriters, without hiring costly content writers or video creators, without depending on existing third-party platforms, etc., once and for all, without waiting weeks for results, without doing any manual work, without having any prior experience. Now, if that got your interest, then you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting Propel AI Kit. First to market technology that creates 100+ passive income streams using the huge power of artificial intelligence for any offer and niche with zero prior skills or experience. Propel AI Kit removes all the guesswork and ensures that every single piece of content you create is successful and profitable right away. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Step number 1, log in. Step number 2, create using 120+ AI tools. Step number 3, publish and profit. Here's just a few of the countless benefits that Propel AI Kit does for you. Create descriptions for Amazon products that rank on the first page of the search results. Write engaging product titles that will make your product stand out in a sea of competition. Build notification messages for your apps, websites, and mobile devices that keep users coming back for more. Create enticing article or blog introductions that capture the attention of your audience. Rephrase your content in a different voice and style to appeal to different readers. Create professional-looking emails with enticing subject lines that help you engage leads and customers. Write catchy and convincing headlines to make your Facebook ads stand out from the rest. Creating ads with unique and appealing titles that entice people to click on your ad and make purchases. Professional and eye-catching ad descriptions that will make your product shine. Build attention-grabbing, click-inducing, and high-converting ad headlines for LinkedIn. Rewrite your existing content to include more keywords and boost your search engine rankings. Engaging and persuasive stories that will capture your readers' attention and interest. Generate cool, creative, and catchy names for your startup in seconds. Write short, simple, and informative points for the subheadings of your article. Extend short sentences into more descriptive and interesting ones. Change the tone of your writing to match your audience and copy. Generate tweets using AI that are relevant and on trend. Catchy and persuasive YouTube descriptions that help your videos rank higher. Video outlines that are a breeze to create and uber engaging. Catchy titles that will attract more views and increase the number of shares. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. Now you too can be making money with artificial intelligence and living a stress-free life like you always wanted. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then Propel AI Kit is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We are confident that this much value has never been offered at such a lower price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So, it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. Propel AI Kit will soon be sold for a monthly and yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So, you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get Propel AI Kit for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
Okay, so we are back. So this is what the backend area is going to look like after you purchase. There are multiple upgrades. First one's the pro version of the software. It's going to give you extra tools, extra languages, 3 variations of each output, customize the tone of the output that's created, all these different things here. But make sure you move your mouse away. You can get a discount on it. Again, I make less as an affiliate, so smash that like button. I appreciate it. Next one here is the unlimited version. Remove all limitations. Again, it says you can get more traffic and leads with this. You can remove all the different limitations on it. Move your mouse away and get a discount. The next one you're going to see is you can create your own expert style chat GPT prompts. This is going to give you more power in the software. Move your mouse away and get a discount on this one as well. The next one you'll see here is you can actually sell this and keep 100% of the money with the reseller edition. Again, move your mouse away and get a discount. The next one lets you create self-publishing, self-updating viral news websites, and you can even sell these. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Then they've got another one here which is going to allow you to build multi-channel autoresponder that has like ChatGPT, email, SMS, and WhatsApp. Move your mouse away and get a discount. And the last one, it's going to give you, it looks like a self-updating GoDaddy style domain selling platform. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Propel AI Kit and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, just because you're using AI doesn't magically mean that you're going to start profiting from it. It is simply a tool. And I don't want you ever to think that it's some magic money-making thing. They are just things to use in your business, and all of them might not be useful for you. Just be aware of that. What do I like about it? That being said, even if just one thing inside here can save you even 10 minutes a day, it will be worth the price of admission to this. So if you're looking for a tool and you want something that's going to make your life a little bit easier, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Propel AI Kit review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.